Come on, it's gonna be fucking hard.
Special edition and your AI couldn't copy. I'm leaving clues in the fit and then it's